Yeah.
Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So for today's video I actually shot a day in my life, or more of a night in my life. So these days my routine is all messed up. I've been sleeping all day and I've been up all night, so I just wanted to vlog it all. So I vlogged it, and it's a very random vlog where I just showed what's going on in my life. So it's a very fun vlog as well. I showed how I got ready, my skincare, and then some clips from the clubbing night. So that was pretty fun. And before getting into the video, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and now let's get into the video. So I was just having some warm water. I just came back from a shower and I'm in my robe. It's looking so pretty, it's very comfy. So I have to do my skincare right now, and then there's nothing planned today. My day started pretty late. It's almost 5 p.m. right now. I just have to do my skincare, get ready, and go for clubbing. I might go for clubbing tonight if my friends reply. Everybody's too busy tonight, so I'll take you with me tonight. Already cleansed my face, and instead of a toner I'm gonna apply rose water from Kama Ayurveda. This has been really helping my skin a lot. Now this is the first thing that I'm gonna apply after cleansing my face, which is the pure rose water from Kama Ayurveda. And then after that I'm gonna apply my moisturizer. So my moisturizer is from Kama Ayurveda as well. This is the Iladi Hydrating Face Cream with essential oils of rose and jasmine, and this is so hydrating. I'm really liking it. So I just started with a new skincare routine last week, and it's going pretty well for me. I needed some hydration. My skin was becoming too dry. Then the next step is sunscreen from Cetaphil. So yeah, that was my skincare routine today. Nothing too extra, just very normal products. And I'm just gonna finish my warm water and then start the day. So I quickly wanted to show you all a mini Zara haul. So firstly, I got this really pretty corset top, and then I got this really gorgeous white skirt because I think it will go with a lot of outfits. Then I did some Netflix and chill for a while. So I started by doing my hair. I blow dried and curled my hair, and they were looking so pretty. For my makeup, I started by applying this primer from Too Faced. Then I used my foundation stick from Bobbi Brown. My concealer is from Maybelline. My contour and blush palette is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Then I used my go-to eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty. Even if I have 10 palettes at home, I would still use this one. Then my favorite Damn Gold mascara from Too Faced. To complete everything, I used my setting spray from NYX, and my makeup turned out absolutely gorgeous. I was just so in love with my look that night. So I decided to wear this dress from Zara. I just loved the color and I loved everything about the dress. And then my bag is from Dolce & Gabbana. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you liked this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye.